Welcome to Tic Sheet online training. This is how you set up your mobile Tic Sheet app. Here we have a basic login at ticsheet.com. Should be whatever you signed up with. It takes you directly to the Tic Sheet. And here you have a drop down of all the different ones, but let's head to billing first. Here you have your next billing date, next billing amount. Here you can look at your payments, invoices, and your subscription. Your plan details are here next to the billing details. Here's your team number, and here's your team name at the top. Let's go back and learn how to set up users. Here we have 3 users right now. A couple have already been set up for us. Let's go ahead and, here we have Bambies. Let's go ahead and add one. Okay, let's add a new guy. And they have to have an email, a first and last name, and a 6-digit password. It can be a 6-digit password. If you want to give them admin privileges, that'll allow them to edit the online version. We're going to go ahead and click this as no and hit save, just because we just want them using the mobile app. You can see here that there's no people icon, so that means that they can only use the mobile app. These two here can use the mobile app and this, and then the orange is for the owner who can do anything. So it's pretty easy to delete a user. Just click here, click OK, and that will knock your users down to 3 out of whatever you have for your subscription. Let's go to the rooms. Here it's pretty basic. We have a delete button. We can delete whatever we want. The edit pencil, you can edit them, or we can go ahead and add another room. Let's go ahead and add another one. Let's make this primary bedroom, now that that's a thing. Here we go. Hit save. All right, pretty basic. So here we go. Let's head over. Let's go ahead and delete this one, and then we'll head over to flooring. Flooring is pretty basic, same thing. You have your add and your edit and your delete. Let's go ahead and delete carpet, and we'll just add it right back. There we go, carpet, save, and that's the flooring. Flooring and rooms are very similar. Tic Sheet's a bit different. Here we have different headers, and from those headers, each header has different tick sheets. That's how you close them all, and this is how you can open them all right over here. So you can open them all and see all the different ticks inside of that tick sheet that they can see and use on the mobile app. Let's go ahead and close it and just go into one. Let's say you don't do much asbestos, so you want to get rid of all the asbestos because there's no point for it for you. So let's go ahead and delete that. All right. And they just delete from here, and then they delete from the mobile app, and your users can't find them anymore and can't put them on there. Let's say you wanted to add, here we go, let's close this. Let's add a tick to water, and say we want axial air movers here. Let's say we want to know how many are on each job. Unit of measure, let's do each per day, and then you can put in any category for any software that you're using. Here we're going to use WTR DRY. And then from here we can save. And then if we go up here, we can see that now axial air mover's here, and they can add it on the mobile app. Let's go ahead and delete that, and that's how easy it is to delete. And you can do that for any of these different headers inside of here. You can do whatever you want. You can delete the whole header or just part of the header. Let's go ahead and add a new header for mold remediation. Go ahead and pick an icon that we want. We're going to drop down to the bottom. Let's see here, this one work. Hit save. Now you can see at the top we have our new one, and you can click, but there's no ticks inside of it, so there's nothing there. Let's go ahead and add a tick to that. We're going to add it to the header mold remediation. We're going to call it germicidal. We're going to give it a measure here, square foot. We'll do an HMR and GRMBS. Hit save. And now inside of our mold remediation, that's what we have, and they'll see that on the mobile app. And so we can go ahead and delete the whole header if we want, and it'll delete everything inside of it. And now that header's gone, and we're back to what we had. That's about it for the online. You can make as many ticks as you want. If you have any questions, go ahead and click support here, or support@ticsheet.com, and we'll be willing to help. Also, if you specialize in something else, such as board ups or trauma crime scene cleanup, let us know and we can get that whole thing added for you as a header and all the ticks with it. Just let us know at support@ticsheet.com. Thank you for watching.